Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the exceptions to the octet rule. Exceptions to the octet rule fall into three categories characterized by an incomplete octet, an odd number of electrons, and more than 8 valence electrons around the central atom known as the expanded octet. So let's start with the incomplete octet. In some compounds, the number of electrons surrounding the central atom in a stable molecule is fewer than 8. One example is the boron trichloride. So the total number of valence electrons for this compound is 3 for boron and 7 for chlorine. Multiply it by 3 because we have 3 chlorine atoms. So the total is 24 valence electrons. So we're going to distribute the 24 valence electrons to boron trichloride. Let's start with writing the skeletal structure for BCl3. Boron is the central atom surrounded by the 3 chlorine atoms. The skeletal structure has 3 bond pairs for a total of 6 electrons, and we need to add 18 more electrons. We're going to start adding lone pairs to the surrounding atoms, which are the chlorine atoms. Since we have a single bond between the chlorine and the boron atom, we are going to add 3 lone pairs to the chlorine atom to satisfy the octet rule. The same goes with the other chlorine atoms. Then let us double check if we have satisfied the octet rule for all the atoms in boron trichloride. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 for this chlorine atom, 2, 4, 6, 8 for this chlorine atom, and another chlorine atom has 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. For the central atom, we only have 6 electrons because this is an incomplete octet. In the next video, we're going to talk about odd electron molecules.